Are you tired of your business data being scattered everywhere? Are you worried that confidential information may leak and put your business at risk? Are the islands of information affecting your efficiency? The pace of change in the market is relentless, exposing major weaknesses in static business models. To succeed and thrive, every business must be focused on the future and prioritize planning across the enterprise. So here's where an ERP system comes to the rescue. What is an ERP software, you ask? ERP, at its essence, is a tool for managing information. It centralizes all core business processes in one location, providing real-time visibility into all operations from supply chain to customer relationship management, CRM. We, at vERP, have designed web-based customized ERP software packages that enable your organization and connected resources to boost their ERP business value by contributing to their ultimate growth and profitability. Our primary goal is to leverage information technology, web technology, and web media to provide new options for our clients that will impact the market long term. vERP is a customer-centric, end-to-end enterprise resource planning solution unique to the core. Since our establishment in 2006, we have helped thousands of companies accelerate high growth, deliver maximum value, and increase efficiencies. Our constant focus is on our people, clients, and quality. We believe that the most valuable resource we possess is the trust of our people.
Our ERP is a web browser based which can run in cloud, online server, and on premises. Our modules in ERP are sales and distribution, purchase e-tendering, finance accounts, tax, customer relationship management, supply chain management, project management, manufacturing production QC, point of sale, HR and payroll, servicing, material management, inventory, warehouse, subcontracting, marketing, emailer, document management. With our innovative ERP system, you can easily view business operations and instantly access domestic or global supply chains. Integrate operational, business, and financial data on a single platform for easier management and greater visibility. Automate formerly redundant or manual tasks. Track, store, and manage financial data all in one place. Get real-time reports of capabilities that provide data-driven, actionable insights. Secure data and keep it within your industry's compliance requirements. With these valuable and advanced capabilities, our ERP software can undoubtedly assist your company in streamlining operations and better planning for future development and market changes. See why 3,100 plus clients have adopted the vERP software. Maximized planning and resource management, greater enterprise collaboration, increased productivity, reduced overhead costs, better customer relationships, improved quality control, better inventory tracking, simplified risk management and regulatory compliance, enhanced data security, predictability and scalability, and the list goes on. When utilized appropriately, our path-breaking software may put you ahead of the competition by providing a higher degree of operational intelligence, allowing you to perform better, be more agile, and provide better client experiences. The vERP community is growing by the day, and you too can be a part of it. Feel free to contact us and see how we take your business to the next level.